In this video, I am going to show you how you can completely uninstall or remove OpenClaw from Windows. So first of all, you need to stop the gateway. So copy this command and run OpenClaw gateway stop. So gateway is stopped now. Next command is to OpenClaw uninstall. Yes. So it is removed everything. OpenClaw workspace, etc. It has removed. Next command is to CloudBot. OpenClaw uninstall all. So it is removed everything. Use npx to remove all the OpenClaw dependencies. So it removed one package and audit 5 packages in this. So this way we have successfully removed OpenClaw from my system. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.